Hi guys, welcome to yet another tutorial about our favorite message queue, Vanus. Today we will be learning how to use Vanus to receive notification from GitHub directly into our Twitter account. The whole process will be completely code-free. Alright, let's get started. Now that I have logged into GitHub, I will launch the terminal. Before starting, we will need to install Vanus and VS Control. We can triple click on any command to easily select it. Once we have installed them both, we can go ahead and click on the GitHub Twitter scenario at the top. Let us first set the endpoint to communicate with Vanus. Now, we can create an event bus and name it GitHub Twitter scenario. Once we have received a successful message, we will first move to the correct directory, and then we can run our GitHub source with the Docker command. Next, we will need to set a webhook into the repository that we want to receive notification from. Note that you must choose a repository with the permission to create a webhook. We can find webhooks under Setting in Code and Automation. Create a new webhook and set the payload to the link provided in the playground, which is the URL to reach the server. Set the content type to JSON format and click Receive Everything. Before returning to the playground, we will first need to go to Twitter and follow the account Vanus Notify so we can receive private messages from it. Now, returning to the playground, we want to subscribe to two types of messages, starring and issue. We can use the filter and transformer from Vanus to achieve this. Let us set our Twitter username and then create two subscriptions. Starring and issues. Now, we can test if this works by starring our repository. Here, let us see if we've received a message on Twitter. Here we have obtained a message on the starring subscription. The transformer built the event according to the template we have entered. Congrats, Michael. GitHub user Michael just starred your REPL. Michael, current number of *1. We can do the same by creating an issue. And again, let us see if we've received a message on Twitter. And here, another event based on the subscription about issues. Hi Michael, GitHub user Michael just opened a new issue in your repository, Michael. Check it out now. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. I will see you in our next video.